So in this video, we continue from the previous one. If you haven't watched that one, please go make sure you see the video about how to file your annual returns, financial accountability supplement. So you've submitted whether it was your annual financial statements or the financial accountability supplement. You click here where it says transact. You click here where it says file annual returns. You click here where it says file annual returns again. It's going to open up. You are to enter the company registration number starting by the year, followed by the other 6 numbers, and then the last 2 digits. Once you've entered that information, you have to click validate. It's going to take you to this page. You have to click continue. Make sure you verified the details. So this company did not trade. Here where it says turnover, you are to enter the turnover of that particular company for that particular year. So it didn't trade, so it's going to be a 0 nil return. So it's going to calculate for you how much it is that particular entity is supposed to pay. Click here where it says continue. It's going to take you to this enterprise details page. Please make sure to enter the email addresses and the information, or the relevant information. Then you click continue. So it's email address, telephone number, the ones with the red asterisks. Make sure that you've entered those details. Once you've done, put also business description. You know, for companies that have not traded, so you could just write not yet traded. It's still fine. They just want information. You have to click add to cart. Yeah, so it'll take you to this page where you're supposed to make payment. So there is a card option, or you can use the customer balance. So in this case, because we have a customer balance here, we can utilize, we're going to click customer balance and we're going to click pay. So it will deduct the funds from the customer balance. So your annual return has been submitted. It will send confirmation of this through an annual returns form. It's a PDF. It will send it to your email address. This is to confirm that you have submitted your annual returns. So once you are done with the annual return, it means that your beneficial ownership declaration you have submitted, and also you have proceeded to file your Fs with the CIPC or your financial accountability supplement, and also you have filed the annual return with the CIPC. You are now compliant. So on the screen, you'll find one of our informative videos. Please check them out. Our heart is to post every week a video that's going to help you in your compliance journey with SARS and CIPC. So if this blessed you, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. God bless.